Girl's Diary, Magical Pony. Create your own secret diary. Adorable Girl's Diary Kit with all your little girl needs to make her own diary. Gay Lesbian 2 Girl Sexy Silver Color Belt Buckle. Heavy Metal Buckle. Size, 3.75 x 3 use with a removable belt. It fits any belt strap up to 1/3-4 inches in width. Matching your style clothes. UK Fashion Secret Wishes Bear Costume Adult Girl Animal. UK Fashion Secret Wishes Bear Costume Adult Girl Animal Onesie Sexy SetATTENTION. Please choose a correct size from the size chart only, which has been listed in the picture area on the left. Many thanks. Girls Pink and White Pettiskirt Set. Your little girl will be ready to celebrate in this adorable 2-piece set. Includes a cotton tank with 5 chiffon tutu flowers around the front neckline, and a very fluffy lined satin and chiffon pettiskirt. HSG Hot Sell Dark Brown Long Straight Wigs with. My wife purchased this for a Halloween costume and she loved it. People really didn't recognize her, the quality of the hair was great. Goody Glam Girls Clips Glitter Rectangle Salon Clips, 6. Goody Glam Girls Clips Glitter Rectangle Salon Clips 6 count. New Comic Style Dinosaurs Kids Play Rug Educational Rug. This is a great rug for your dino lover's room or playroom. Super cute with bright colored dinosaurs. It was bigger than I expected and a great value for a rug that size. In the picture the background color behind the dinosaurs looks black, but it's actually a navy blue, which I preferred better. Angelico's Women's Lolita Harajuku Style Girls Cute Short Black. Angelico's Make Your Life Colorful. Angelico's Wigs New Choice, New You, the theme of the product's design. The designer team search the fashion elements or the latest anime character in the month, the season, the year. They will combine the concept of fashion point, surface, triangle flexible use of sections to create a vividly wig with popular color and style material. The factory used heat-resistant fiber, South Korea adjustable rose breathable mesh. There are 2 buckles at the inner side, can be linked to a fixed position. Adjust the size. Style. You can style the wig with hairspray or curling irons, hair straighteners to your preferred hairstyle. You can cut the fringe and length to your suitable length. Cleaning instruction. 1. Comb the wig. Please comb it from ponytail to top for the long wig. 2. Put the wig in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Time can't be too long, otherwise hair is easy to fall off. 3. Use clear water to clean, hand wash, please do not use the washing machine. 4. Choose wig shampoo, avoid scrub, gently grasp the wig with hands. 5. Wipe the water with dry towel, please don't screw by hand or by a washing machine to dry. 6. Put a airy place, avoid by drying in sunshine. How to collection. 1. If you don't wear the wig temporarily, please spray some nursing liquid and put on mannequin head. 2. If you don't wear for a long time, please set the wig with a hairnet after spray nursing liquid and put into a bag with small round holes. 3. Keep in a dry place, avoid pressure. Candy Girl Flora Plaid Satin Girls Headbands Value Pack. 12 PCS 1 cm fabric Flora or Plaid Girls Headbands assorted colors unique products. Candy Girl offers an excellent variety of colors which are vibrant and sweet. Alligator clips are sturdy and do not slip, which are very easy attachment to hair, perfect fit for girls, newborn, babies. Candy Girls products are well made by good quality ribbons suitable for 6 months 12 years old. Safety packaging. Before the goods shipping out, they will be put into a valve bag which is soft and not easily damaged. The valve bag can ensure the goods will not get wet and make sure it's in good condition when buyers receive them. The history of Candy Girl, with more than 10 years experiences offer kinds of quality handmade apparel and accessories. Candy Girl turns to let all customers can receive the items with best quality but low cost. Candy Girl's goal is to make your baby more cute and charming. Candy Girl highly appreciate all customers' opinions to improve products and service. Also, if anything you are unsatisfied, PLS come to Candy Girl customer service department at any time. Candy Girl is a registered trademark and Candy Girl trademark is protected by trademark law.